Ardoni factory has its own production area of more than 10,000 square meters, and it is a part of the largest group of companies in the Volga region. The largest dealer network covers more than 50 regions. Our furniture is represented in more than 120 furniture showrooms, and every month this number becomes more and more. Sofas and chairs of our factory were loved by customers for their design, a combination of aesthetics and functionality, and also compliance to the latest tendencies. Every month we introduce new models and fill them with mechanisms for rest, built-in bars, places for storage, which allows to create comfortable furniture for everyone. The factory of upholstered furniture, Ardoni, is a modern high-tech facility equipped with Russian and European equipment. The production staff has more than 10 years of working experience in the production of upholstered furniture. It all allows to achieve high quality of produced furniture, to make a full cycle of assembly and acceptance. The capacities of the factory allow not only to assemble sofas, but also to make the most part of components that allows to reduce significantly dependence on terms of deliveries and price policy of suppliers, and also to reduce production terms without the loss of quality. The full cycle of wood processing is carried out on Italian equipment. Wood undergoes a drying cycle, due to which it acquires high strength and durability. Thanks to internal soft fillers of a sofa, those pleasant feelings while sitting appear. Drowning softness or elasticity, armrests comparable to a down pillow, and air feather of a back or ergonomics of a backrest cushions. The factory of upholstered furniture, Ardoni, offers to customers a wide choice of upholstery materials, according to actual tendencies in the market of upholstered furniture. It is possible thanks to cooperation with the largest Russian suppliers, which deliver to the factory a wide assortment of upholstery materials. Since 2014, the factory carries out its own direct deliveries of furniture fabrics from producers of Europe and Asia. The presence of individual fabrics allows not only to make a unique offer to retail customers, but also to reduce the period of sofa production to 10 working days. Each sofa passes several levels of quality control, including control by independent services, and it allows to maintain a high level of quality of produced furniture. Every product has a brand Ardoni, which allows to distinguish our products and protect them against imitation. At the packing stage, each sofa is wrapped in several layers of packaging material for protection against external influences during transportation. The service life of an Ardoni sofa is not less than 10 years. Decades of warmth, comfort of family communication, great friendly meetings, warm cozy evenings, and just a good mood with sofas by the factory Ardoni.